Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let me show you how to get more lives in Royal Kingdom. In Royal Kingdom, running out of lives isn't the end of the world. Each life naturally regenerates over time, with one life refilling roughly every 30 minutes. Beyond waiting, you can take advantage of refill rewards, which sometimes grant extra hearts even beyond your maximum limit. Once you reach level 21, the free lives feature unlocks, allowing you to claim additional lives directly. Another effective method is joining a team. Once part of a team, you can request up to 5 lives from your teammates, with each member able to contribute one. You can also earn lives through certain events or daily rewards, giving you even more opportunities to keep playing. Between natural regeneration, refills, free lives, team support, and event rewards, there are plenty ways to stay in the game without interruption. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.